Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the topic biomolecules of cells and cell organelles. So coming to the definition of cells, we all know about the cells are the structural and functional unit of the basic life. And cells are the building blocks of tissues. Likewise, molecules are the building blocks of cells. So biomolecules is nothing but the chemicals or molecule present in living organism. So cellular pool defines the sum of total number of different types of molecules, compounds or ions present in the cell. So animal and plant cells contain 10,000 different kinds of molecules, and water itself constitutes about 50 to 95% of cells content by its weight. So coming to the classification of biomolecules, we are classifying the biomolecules as organic and inorganic. So coming to the organic, these are further classified into carbohydrates, lipids, amino acid, proteins, enzymes, nucleic acid and vitamins. So these are the most important biomolecules in biochemistry. And coming to the inorganic substances, the minerals, gases and water, these are all comes under the inorganic biomolecules. So on the basis of size, biomolecules are divided into macromolecules and micromolecules. So macro in the sense large. So it is the large sized, high molecular weight and about 10,000 Dalton size. It is found in the acid insoluble pool. Whereas micromolecule, it is just opposite to the macromolecules. It is small sized molecule. It is having low molecular weight and it is having the Dalton size of between 10 to 800. And it is found in the acid soluble pool. So macromolecules examples are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins and nucleic acid. Coming to the micromolecule example, all the minerals, gases, water, sugar molecule, amino acids and nucleic acids are comes under the micromolecule example. So these are the pictorial representation of lipids, which is having the phospholipid bilayer, and nucleic acid, it is the examples of RNA, ribonucleic acid and DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and carbohydrates examples such as all sugar molecules like glucose, fructose, galactose, sucrose, maltose, lactose, and proteins, which is the building block of amino acids, is called as proteins. And coming to the biochemical functions, as I said before, carbohydrate molecule consists of various classifications like monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharide and polysaccharide, and this polysaccharides is the building block of the monosaccharide, individual monosaccharide. So 10 or more number of monosaccharides constitutes to form out polysaccharides, and the main function of the polysaccharide is the storage form of energy. And coming to the protein, several amino acid builds together to form the proteins, and it is the basic structure and functional of cell. And lipids, several fatty acid molecule and glycerol constitutes the formation of lipids, and it is also the storage form of energy to meet the long term demands. And DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and it carries the hereditary information in the human body, and this is the genetic material found in the human body, and it plays the role for the growth of the enzyme, growth of the zygote, growth of the embryo. This constitutes the first steps of formation and fertilization. And RNA, it is the ribonucleic acid, and this is mainly for about the protein synthesis. So RNA, it is having three types like mRNA, rRNA and tRNA. mRNA is messenger RNA, so it carries message from one part of DNA to RNA, and tRNA, it is transfer of RNA. The RNA get transferred into protein, and the ribosomal RNA is rRNA. This rRNA is responsible for the protein synthesis, where it occurs three reactions like DNA converted into RNA with the help of transcription, RNA converted into protein with the help of translation process. So again RNA converted into DNA, it is a reverse transcription. The RNA gets reverse back converted into DNA, and the DNA, if the DNA is converted into DNA, it is called replication. So it is the overall definition of central dogma, and this biomolecule have these several functions.